Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the photo aspect ratio in the Tecno Spark 2022. So in the first step we have to open the camera app, then go to the settings and choose picture size. Now how you can see there we have three various aspect ratios: 20:9, 1:1 and 4:3. So just tap on your decided one, take your photo. And this is the photo in 4:3 aspect ratio, and this is photo with the maybe with the same. Sorry about that. So now we can go to the settings again, switch it to the 1:1, this is square, and take the photo. And how you can see, there we have a square one, this is 4:3. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.